My name's Jeremy Wiggins. We own One Stop Services. We like to use OSS. I'm from Wilmer, Alabama. That's where our business is located. We're tied in with Stokely's Garden Express, Stokely Nursery, and we kind of started from there and going on. We'd like for everybody to come to the garden center and buy plants. While you're there, call me up, we'll install it for you. We do irrigation, landscape lighting, installation as well, pavers, hardscapes, retaining walls. Anything that you need, we'd like to be there to help you out and take care of that. Through Festival of Flowers, my uncle gave me a call and said, would you like to be involved in the Festival of Flowers? And I said, yes, I think that'd be a great thing for my business to get some exposure. I also happen to know the designer of the show, which I tend to like, and she does a great job, and I came out here and it's turned out to be a great experience. I've enjoyed it a lot. Also with the show, I've met a lot of landscapers that I didn't know. They've kind of gotten to know what my goals are, what I've enjoyed doing with landscaping, because at the end of the day, it's more than a job. It becomes a passion. You enjoy it. You like to see the final outcome. And it's a great experience. I mean, seeing what all the other landscapers have done, everybody's done a great job. Seeing the people that are involved with this, I mean, it makes you want to be involved more. I've been in the nursery business. I'm 42 years old, and I've pretty much been in the nursery field since I was probably 2. And there was a plant I found this past week in an 82-year-old lady's greenhouse. It's called the Q-tip family. I mean, it's Q-tip plant inside the clerodendron family. And if I had 10,000 of them, I could have sold them this weekend so far. So there's a first time for everything. And I've learned a little bit from the ladies of the Master Gardeners Club, and they've educated me on a few things that I thought I knew. And it's been a great experience, and it's been fun with this plant. I've learned a lot about it, and it's been great. What sets us apart is when I thought of the name for One Stop Services, there's a little saying we had around the house there is we're a one-stop shop. I like to think if I can't do it, I can help you find somebody else that can do it. We were doing pressure washing, doing a lot of handyman jobs, and by the time it was said and done, we got to saying, well, we just do it all. So I come up with One Stop Services and it stuck. So we're your one-stop shop. If you need us, we'll take care of it.